I got a baby cactus known as a hedgehog cactus or mother of 100 on June 12, 2019. The baby cactus has an oval shape and it is about 1 cm size. There is a tiny root growing. I fill a cup with gravel. Put the cactus on top. Fill the cup with dechlorinated water. Keep the cactus on a windowsill exposed to direct sunlight. Add water every other day or so. It takes about 3 weeks for new roots to grow 2 cm long. The old root does not grow at all. I moved the cactus into newly built aquarium garden on July 12, 2019. Roots of the cactus stays in the water. The cactus itself stays above the water. The roots grow a couple more centimeters in the next 2 weeks. And the cactus seems to grow too. Here you can see some other succulent plants grow with roots in water. November 4th, 2019. I moved the cactus into a new aquarium garden. The cactus has grown about 3 cm tall in the past 6 months with roots in water. The cactus has grown in an elongated shape. The roots stay about 5 cm long. All looks good. And the cactus is ready for the winter. Have fun and happy aquarium gardens!